And it goes a little something like.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I did this makeup look, guys. Super cute. You know, I'm representing my country with this look, Jamaica. If you guys are interested in how I created this look from start to finish, stay tuned. If you're new and you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and let's get into the video.
And we have a whole lot of wonderful heritage, songs and stories and proverbs and all kinds of nice things. And our language, of course, the basic thing is the language, which we have been talking for 300 years. Yes, my dear. And my aunt, she said she don't like nobody to say no language at all. She vexed, you know, about the whole rhythm of the language, my child. You see, it's because all this folklore and this culture that we have come from all the different people who have lived in the country, you know, and we just use it, and now we have a real West Indian, a real Jamaican culture. For my auntie wrote to say, when the Asian culture and the European culture buck up an African culture and the Caribbean people, we stir them up and blend them to a flavor. We shake them up and move them to a beat. We wheel them and we turn them and we rock them and we sound them and we temper them and laughs the rhythm sweet. Yes, my dear. So then we don't need to shame at the things we have at all. Like my auntie would say, she vexed any time she hearing the people I come style for with Jamaica language as corruption of the English language. You ever hear anything, Gosso? Aunt Georgia said she don't know what make them not call the English language corruption of the Norman, French, and the Greek, and the Latin, but them say English is derived from. Oh no, hear the word? English derive, but Jamaica corrupt. No, master, nothing I go so. We not corrupt and them derive. We derive too. Hey, Jamaica derive. We derive. And let me tell you, man, we derive from the English, we derive from Portuguese, from Spanish and all them sitting, all the people who was there. And on top of it, the basic thing that we derive from is African and Kuya Pupa. Plenty of the words them in a fairy language where them tell we say corruption. Hey, a good African word. Good African word that come from a nice African language named Chui. You hear what name? Chui. Yeah, man. It's spelled T-W-I, but it's pronounced Chui. I want good language. And make me tell you, missus, you see all word like bankrupt? I trade that. A basket, you know. And when we say nyam, and them go on like when you say nyam, you talk bad. I want good word. Hey, food and eating and all them things there. Yeah, oh man. Like, Fenke and Pia. You know? And Susu and Sese and Casa. Poto. You know when we say something poto. I want good word. It mean mud. And you know, like when we say dirty tough, and them tell us say that it's a corruption of dirty, and not true. Dirty is ground in tree. It mean the ground. Dirty tough, the ground hard. Yes, dirty tough. Yes, man. So we not shame at all. For my auntie Roger said the whole thing did happen when the English forefathers them was a try for bound the African ancestors them fit chat so English. But the African ancestors them pop them. Yes, sir. Them pop them. For them disguise of the English and the African in such a way that them still couldn't understand them. Listen, man. And up to today, I do plenty of Jamaica word them got English in it. Hey. No English man, they can't understand what we are saying. We don't want them understand. Yes, true. Yes, missus. For you know what happened to we? We fling most of the bang around them. And we just keep on wanting. Like for instance, you know, when some English people might just say, I got stuck by a prickle. Jamaica say, Maka juke me. Yes, man. And when them English, go away, here we go. Yes, man, and we have a way, see, to make the word we say sound like where the same thing we are talking about look like. For when we say your bugu yaka, you know right away say your bugu yaka. But if we say your bunu no no, that be nice, yes. Then when we say something ruku ruku, you know it's shaky shaky. Yeah, man. Then you know what English people have a way. Them say, bad, worse, worst. We don't say so. We don't top this up. We say bad, worse, worse. Yes, man. And when the same thing was done, we say was Then now another thing. You know when the English them I say about if them talk to one somebody, them say you. And them talk to 1,000 somebody, them say you. When we talk to one somebody, we say you. When we talk to more than one somebody, we say unu. Yes, man. No, man, we not have shame and nothing at all. No, son. Then now, you see like how it look like fenke, for instance. If we say something fenke and pia, you know, say weak, you know. But when we say something talawa, you know, say strong. Yes, child, we not have shame at all. Like one fool Jamaica girl when it come to England, you know. And them ask her to sing one Jamaica folk song. Say mama, then catch papa. Hear the fool girl. Mother, the apprehended father. Locks. Then, my dear child, them go ask her to sing another one. And this one is, Mati Walla left, you know. Me know where Mati Walla left. Hear the fool girl. I don't want what Matty eats and leaves. Locks, I tell you, child. Oi, pile up the culture bad. Boy, you know, shame us so you come after you stand so long. Not even little language, boy, not even little twang. And your sister work 1 week with American and she talks so sweet now that we have the juice, we understand. Boy, you couldn't improve yourself and you get so much pay. You spend 6 months of foreign and come back ugly same way. Not even a drapes trousers. Not a pass the rhythm coat. Boy, not even a gold teeth, not a gold chain around your throat. Suppose I last my past go introduce it to a stranger as my lamented son that lately come from America. Them would have laugh after me, boy, I couldn't tell them so. Them would have said me liar was I spent time at Moko. Don't back answer me, boy, you talk too much, shut up your mouth. I don't know how you and your father are going to make it out. If you want to please him, make him think you bring back something new. You always call him Pa. This evening when him comes, say Pooh. But you can't win, you know. Because if you come back to hey, everybody say, where she are going with? Like the boy will come back from England and talk. What wrong with Mary Dryfoot, boy? Them gal got him for mock. And since I meet him the other night, the boy give me a shock. Me tell him same aunt and him cousin, them saying howdy. Me ask him how I'm getting on, him say, Jola. Me start to feel so sorry for the poor bad lucky soul.
Alright guys, this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Give me a like if you like this look as well. If the button is red, that means you are not subscribed. Please subscribe to my channel. It helps me out so much. And share this video and other videos, and catch up with all of my makeup looks, hair tutorials, all of my other videos that I've done in the past, and my playlist. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do appreciate you guys. And I do have a giveaway announcement coming up, so you really want to stay locked in for when I do this next giveaway. As you guys know, I've done a giveaway in the past, and it was really good, really fun, and I really enjoyed doing it and giving back to those who did the giveaway. So stay tuned for the next one. I believe I'll make the announcement sometime next week, so stay tuned for that. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.